All right, guys, it has been a long time, but we are back. Very good, super huge update. Paint is done 4 months later, and it was a long waiting process, but definitely well worth it. I love the color, and I'll show you in a little bit. But man, the process to get here was just, there was so many different steps with the particular painter that I use, and I'm perfectly fine with his method and how he does things, and that's just how we need to do it. But all of the additional parts like trim pieces, roof spoiler, what else? There were some other pieces, mirror caps for the side mirrors, the base plates, anything that bolts onto the car besides the bumpers, those were already done, and those were painted like a couple weeks ago. So I actually got to see the color on that. And then there was a lot of prep work to get this done. They did the door jambs, and then after the door jambs were done, we did the back of the doors, and after we did the back of the doors, put the doors back on, taped off the door jambs in the back of the doors, and painted the whole car with the doors on. So that worked out well, and I'm waiting for the windshield guys to get here so we can install the front infrared windshield that I got, and I'm going to drive the car home today to get it home. And we at least need to get a windshield in, got to put the taillights in, and yeah, I'm ready to see this in the light, in the sunlight, but man, it is looking so good. So the front and rear bumpers, they were done separately. The PDC sensors, the reflectors for the front bumper, the gas tank lid, it's all over there. One mirror cap that had to be redone is over there. So super excited. But let's go ahead and do this reveal. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, in video, it definitely doesn't translate how thick and deep this paint looks. I have a polarizer on here to kind of help things out, but it's definitely brightened up some, but in person it's a lot darker, and it looks really good. See if we can get a pullback here. But this is called W32 Black Blue, and as you can see, when you get close, it's blue, and that's under direct light. But as soon as you pull away and that shadows start coming into play, it just changes. It has a black tone to it, which is super cool. Let's take a look before we do a walk around. We got the front bumper here. We have the rear bumper. A lot of work was done on this thing. Like glass. Take another walk around here. It's a little tight on this side, so might not be able to get the whole car in. See if I can get behind here. It just looks so good. I'm just happy it's all one color now. This back door, I have to keep it open for now until I'm ready to close it, because the door actuator, there's a problem with it, and once you close it, it's really hard to get it open. Probably have to change that out. go up here. The roof. Roof is done. Glossy and shiny. What I really want to see is this fender flare transition. Oh, that's right, I closed it. Close this. Look at that. I think that looks fantastic. That door transition. Super happy with that. My vision for that transition worked out pretty well. Flaring the door and then adding some thickness in here with the panel bond. Yes, sir. So now, get a little bit more, oh, here's some more parts. We have one mirror cap that had to be redone. PDC sensors, all four. Rear bumper, toe cover. Gas tank lid. Stock rear diffuser. And the rear spoiler. It all just looks black right now, but once I get the whole car assembled, it'll be so much better. Get some reflections in there. Usually people don't want reflections, but for video, it'll help a little bit. You can see here on the hood, rotating the polarizer. There is what it normally looks like with reflection on the light. And rotate it around. There we go. That way you can see the color. So yeah. That's the reveal. It's exactly how I hoped it would be and more. Now comes the fun part of taking it home and putting it back together. I'm looking forward to it and I'm not looking forward to it just because it's a lot of work and I don't have a lot of time these days. So it'll be little by little. But I'll make sure to record some progress of that and bring you along the way. I just wanted to get in here and do a quick reveal of the fresh paint while it still looks good, because I swear paint always looks so good when it's done, and then when you get it home it's like it doesn't look as good for some reason. But yeah, all right, well, till next time, we'll see you in the next one. All right, so I brought the car back to the house, put it in the garage, and I thought I need to get some video of it in the sun, because all the video I just got was when it was inside and kind of dark. So I'm gonna walk around, and I have the polarizer on, so hopefully it'll cut some of the glare out. But man, this paint is just beautiful. Alright, let's take a look here. So one thing is I did have to take the driver's side fender off. Driver's side fender had some trash that needed to be taken care of, so I took it off and gave it to the painter. He's gonna fix it, take a couple days. He's also gonna take care of the sunroof. I gave him a spare sunroof panel for him to paint. So I want that painted as well. And I'll get that back in a few days. It's a lot easier than trying to let him paint it on the car, because if he has to repaint the fender on the car, you'll have to tape the whole car up and it's just a mess. So fender was a lot easier and it's a lot quicker. But yeah, so we'll take a look at the car. You'll see the fender's gone, but everything else is fine. I got a lot of work to do, but this is fun. All right, see if I can turn my polarizer on. There we go. So it's gonna get a little dark here in the shade. See if we can go around to the other side. See the blue. You can kind of see the blue in the reflection on the hood, which is wonderful. Here on this side, you can see the blue. That is why they call this black blue. Walk around. Man, this paint looks so good. I cannot wait to get it reassembled. I got some fingerprints on the paint I need to take care of. Can't wait for its first wash too. Yeah, look at this paint. Look at that paint. Look at that color. It's so cool. Come over here and look how dark it is. Look at the hood, and it still looks blue. And look at this side of the car, it looks almost black. That's trippy. And I'm letting that car warm up. It's been off for a couple weeks, so I figured I'd start it up and let it run, get the fluids going. So yeah, super excited. I'll get some more video of the install process, putting things on, and then of course the final reveal as it sits, which will be awesome, with the front bumper, the rear bumper, the gloss black trim that I'm going to install, and the new sunroof. And yeah, so anyways, we will be back.